The experiences and trauma these kids are left with reads like something from a horror novel.
Oregon Senator Ron Wyden and the Senate Finance Committee have just released the findings of a 2-year investigation into 4 of the biggest youth residential treatment facilities. That report found the facilities take billions in federal funds with the promise of helping vulnerable children, but instead leave them traumatized. Investigators found one facility was routinely restraining children, drugging them, and putting them in seclusion. In another example, a child ran away from his program and was hit and killed by a truck, but instead of reporting it, staff attempted to cover up their neglect and falsify documents about the child's whereabouts. They also found a variety of cases of sexual and physical abuse along with kids going without treatment they were at the facilities for in the first place. Wyden says these incidents are anything but infrequent. They're actually indicative of a massive problem that's plagued these facilities for decades.
The accounts of abuse we hear about today are not outliers. They amount to a systemic culture of mistreating and abusing kids and turning a profit.
Wyden says these facilities function based on this systemic abuse, and sweeping changes are needed on every level. Congress must pass legislation, he says, to improve the conditions in RTFs and the broader behavioral health landscape. Taxpayers' dollars need to stop going to the system until facilities meet a significantly higher standard of care. Oversight needs to be increased on all levels, and other services need to be expanded outside of RTFs regardless of these changes.
It's simple. If you provide more care and support to kids up front, you reduce the need for residential treatment and the number of kids being subjected to these horrific abuses. And make no mistake about what our work will be all about. We are going to stay at it until we end this abuse, period, full stop.